The Strait of Hormuz. It's just a narrow waterway in the Middle East, but it's where 20% of the world's oil, yeah, 1 in every 5 barrels, flows out to the rest of us. Right now, it's at the heart of a crisis that could hit your wallet. Hard. Here's what's going down. After U.S. airstrikes hit Iran's nuclear sites on June 21st, Iran's parliament voted to close the strait in retaliation. This isn't just political drama. The Strait of Hormuz is the only sea route for oil giants like Saudi Arabia, Iraq, and Iran to export their oil. If it shuts down, experts say oil prices could blast past $100 a barrel overnight, maybe even up to $150. That means you're looking at pricier fuel, higher shipping costs, and a shaky global economy, especially in Asia, where most of this oil ends up. But there's a twist. The U.S. is leaning on China, who buys almost all of Iran's oil, to step in and cool things down. At the same time, the U.S. Fifth Fleet is on high alert in Bahrain, and Europe says closing the strait would be a red line. If Iran follows through, it's risking economic suicide, because 90% of its own oil exports pass through this same choke point. So, will Iran really pull the trigger? Most analysts say no. The cost, to Iran, China, and the rest of us, is just too high. But even the threat of a short-term closure or attacks could rattle markets and trigger a global oil shock. Bottom line, what happens in this tiny stretch of water could change what you pay at the pump and shake up the world economy.